Hi, everyone. I wanted to make a short video to introduce active chemistry. We're going to be using this app in our course for weekly online homework and quizzes. I chose this app for this course because it seems to be easy to use for students and does a great job giving you feedback on your work. This app has 4 tabs on the top. It will only be using the homework tab and the quiz tabs for this. Both types of assignments will be labeled by week and the number of homework assignment. Homework assignment answers can be submitted multiple times, and you'll be given feedback if your answer is incorrect by the software. Be careful with quizzes. They are timed and you can only start them once. It's an expectation that the only resources you are using for quizzes are a calculator and a periodic table, but for homework you can use whatever. For many problems, there is a drag and drop option. And you can just drag the correct option to fill the box from the bottom of the page. You can even take it from the question itself if you wanted, right there, as you see me doing. Remember that you have a free trial for the first 2 weeks. After that, you will need to register your subscription. You can do this by paying online using a credit card or by purchasing an access code through the bookstore. This will be more expensive. Let me know if you're having any difficulties setting this up and paying for it. I'm happy to help. And send me other questions about active chemistry that you have. I hope this was helpful.